Hi friends! Welcome back to Freya's Fun Learning. Today, I'm super excited because I'm going on a special adventure. We're leaving the busy city and heading to the countryside to visit my Uncle Rogan and Aunt Ruth. They live on a farm, and I'm going to surprise them. Come along with me. Isn't the countryside beautiful? I can't wait to see Uncle Rogan and Aunt Ruth. They don't know I'm coming, so this will be a big surprise. Here we are at the village. Uncle Rogan and Aunt Ruth live just up the road. Let's go find them.
I'm coming! Well, if it isn't our city girl, Freya, what a wonderful surprise!
Hi, Uncle Rogan. I missed you so much. Where's Aunt Ruth?
Freya, dear, what a lovely surprise. We were just getting ready to cook up some lunch. You're just in time.
I'm so happy to be here. The city is fun, but I've been missing the fresh air and all the animals on your farm.
Speaking of animals, how about I show you around the farm? We've got some new additions to our poultry family that I think you'll love.
That sounds awesome, Uncle Rogan. Let's go.
Here we are, Freya. This is our poultry pen, where we keep our chickens, ducks, and geese. Poultry animals are birds that are raised for their eggs, meat, and sometimes even feathers. Let me introduce you to some of them. First up, we have our chickens. Chickens are amazing because they lay eggs almost every day. They come in different breeds, some with fancy feathers and others with beautiful colors. Did you know that the color of a chicken's eggshell can be different depending on the breed? Some are brown, some are white, and some are even blue or green.
Wow, that's so cool. I didn't know chickens could lay different colored eggs.
And over here, we have our ducks. Ducks love the water and spend most of their day splashing around in their pond. Their eggs are a bit larger than chicken eggs and have a richer flavor. Ducks also have these special webbed feet that help them swim.
Look at them go. They're so cute.
And last but not least, our geese. Geese are larger than ducks and chickens and are great at keeping watch over the farm. They're known to be a bit protective and will honk loudly if they see something unusual. Their eggs are big too, and they make wonderful omelets.
They're like the farm's little guards.
That's right, Freya. And just wait until you taste some of the delicious dishes we can make with the eggs from our poultry. You'll get to see that in the kitchen later.
I can't wait, Aunt Ruth. This has been such a fun day already. Thank you, Uncle Rogan, for showing me all the poultry animals. I learned so much today. And Aunt Ruth, I'm excited to see what you'll cook up with all these farm-fresh ingredients.
Anytime, Freya. We're so happy you came to visit. There's always something new to learn on the farm.
And next time, we'll have you helping out in the kitchen. We'll make a chef out of you yet.
I'd love that. Thanks for having me, Uncle Rogan and Aunt Ruth. I can't wait for the next adventure on the farm. Thanks for joining us today, friends. If you enjoyed learning about farm life and poultry animals, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Freya's Fun Learning for more fun and educational adventures. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!